With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, consider a pair of identical pendulum which oscillates with equal amplitude independently such that when one pendulum is at its extreme position making an angle of 2 degree to the right with the vertical, the other pendulum makes an angle of 1 degree to the left of the vertical. What is the phase difference between the pendulum? Okay, so let us suppose that this is our pendulum, okay, now which is oscillating with the maximum amplitude of, let us say, as theta naught. Okay, so the maximum amplitude or angular displacement is theta naught, which is given to us as 2 degree. Correct. Now the first pendulum is at the angle of 2 degree on the left hand side. Correct. Now the equation of the SHM will be given as theta is equals to theta naught sine omega t plus phi. So for the first pendulum, theta 1 will be equals to theta naught sine omega t plus phi 1. Correct, where phi is the phase difference. Now the first pendulum is at an angle of 2 degree to the right of the vertical, so it will be 2 is equals to theta naught is 2 sine omega t plus phi 1. So it will be 1 is equals to sine omega t plus phi 1. So from here omega t plus phi 1 comes out to be pi by 2. Let us suppose this is our equation number 1. Now for the second pendulum, our equation will become theta 2 is equals to theta naught sine omega t plus phi 2. Correct. Now the second pendulum is at an angle of 1 degree to the right, so it will be minus 1 degree is equals to 2 degrees sine omega t plus phi 2. Correct. So from here it will be minus 1 by 2 is equals to sine omega t plus pi by 2. So from here it will be 7 pi by 6 is equals to omega t plus phi 2. Correct. So subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. 2 minus 1. What we get is omega t plus phi 2 minus omega t minus phi 1 will be equals to 7 pi by 6 minus pi by 2. Correct. So omega t and omega t get cancelled out, so it will be phi 2 minus phi 1 will be equals to, take 6 as LCM, so it will be 7 pi minus 3 pi, so it will be 4 pi by 6 or 2 pi by 3. Correct. So the phase difference between the two pendulum is phi 2 minus phi 1 as 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now checking out the options. The option number second is correct, 2 pi by 3. Okay. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.